SamAyna Tech YouTube channel. You are welcome to Mr. Olayinka's farm. This is a goat and ram farm right here in Ibadan. And I would like to introduce my friend here. He also try to put us through the way to raise goats, to raise goat and ram, production here.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm Olayinka. This is my farm, sheep and ram. So there is nothing much about growing them up. It's just depend on the patience, effort, and commitment. So as you can see, this ram, so this is from the northern part of Nigeria. So this local one, the sheep. So the best combination is to get another sheep from the northern part. They call them balami. So they have big ears like this. So they are very lucrative. So that's just it. Early in the morning to feed them, there's no much hustle about it. So you can depend on the local supplements. You don't need to buy so many things. This is cassava cover. Yeah, this is a pellets, combination of like 5 ingredients. This is eri.
Yeah. In the native, but they are
from the corn. From the
corn.
maize. So potato cover and plenty other stuff.
You can also consume grass too as well.
And grass too. So if you can get a big sheep like the balami one with this one, after the birth in like 8 months time, you are in money.
Like how much can you get from them if you train them for 1 year?
Without crossbreed, after the birth of that new one, and if you are lucky, it's a male ram. So that's very okay. After like a year, you should be, if you feed them very well, you should earn around over 100,000 naira.
Wow, that's good. In naira.
In naira.
How about how many how do you call ram babies? How many can they give birth to?
It varies. The first timer of this sheep, maybe 1. After that 2. After that 3.
Okay.
So there's no specific figure about it. It's Olayinka, Ring Road, Ibadan. You can reach me at Aquatech Farms. So my phone number 08067379493.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed our short video. You can subscribe into SamAyna Tech YouTube channel.